it wouldn't do me any good that I lose weight right before I apply for insurance or something like that. That wouldn't work?
It does you a little bit of good, but there's a question on every app. There's a question on every application that says, have you gained or lost more than 10 pounds in the last year? And if you have lost a significant amount of weight, you can qualify for a better rating class, but you have to keep that weight off for a year for it to count. How do they know if you kept it off for a year? That's the awful question that people ask.
But I think that from what you said earlier, I bet it's based on what the doctor says in those doctor visits. So where more is not always better.
That's right. So what do they do every time you go to the doctor?
They weigh you.
They weigh you, and it's in your records. And as a part of the application process, they're going to ask you your health questions. You have to answer completely and truthfully. Then you're going to have a medical exam where the paramedical comes out to your home and does blood and urine, weighs you, takes an EKG, your blood pressure sometimes. And then they're going to collect your medical records, and they're going to they want to see everything agree. If everything agrees, then they're confident they know how long you're going to live, and they can quote the policy appropriately.
And if not, and it doesn't agree, then they'll just deny you.
Not always deny you, but it definitely causes me as your advocate a lot of trouble. So you have to tell me in advance all the...
So you're like a lawyer.
Well,
you have to tell you the truth.
Yeah, you have to. I can do my best job for you to advocate with these insurance companies to get you the best policy that you... And there's no game playing. The state laws and so forth, they have their standards. If you meet their standards, that's the rating class that you get. So, but if you lie, you try to game the system, they don't like that.
Right.
So if you're lying about this, what else are you lying about? And either they rate you, or they decline you, or they just decline to offer you coverage.
Okay.
Yeah.